Do you know, a small mistake might be the reason your du'as are not being accepted. There was a man who used to make dua to Allah every single day, but his du'as were not being accepted. One day, he went to a scholar and asked, "Why are my du'as not being accepted?" The scholar replied, "Do you praise Allah before making your dua? Do you send blessings, salawat, upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?" The man became silent. The scholar then said, "Start your dua by praising Allah, then send blessings upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then make your dua. From today, start this practice. Insha'Allah, your duas will be accepted." May Allah accept all of our duas. Ameen. Stay well and see you in the next video, insha'Allah. Assalamu alaikum.